Modding an Unreal Engine game and need to extract animation data from a UKX file? These contain skeletal animation packages for Unreal-based games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and work with these Unreal Engine animation packages. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange UKX formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A UKX file is an animation package used by games developed with older versions of the Unreal Engine, specifically UE2 and UE2.5. Game modders and developers interact with these files to view, extract, or modify character animations, skeletal data, and movement sequences. These packages are essential assets for defining how objects and characters move within the game world. The UKX format is a proprietary compiled binary package. It was designed to bundle multiple related animation assets into a single file for efficient loading and management by the game engine. This structure is optimized for performance, allowing the game to stream animation data directly into memory with minimal processing overhead during real-time gameplay. The best utility for reliable viewing of UKX is known to be Unreal Engine by Epic Games. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your UKX file, then click Open With. Test Unreal Engine if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the UKX file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, opening in Unreal Ed. Launch. Unreal Ed, the editor included with Unreal Engine 2 era games, and access the animation browser through the View menu. Use File then Open to load the UKX package or browse to it through the package list. Unreal Ed displays the animation sequences and allows previewing playback on associated skeletal meshes for inspection. Next, extracting with UModel. Download UModel, also called UE Viewer, from Gildor.org, a versatile tool for examining Unreal Engine packages across many versions. Open the UKX file in UModel to browse contained animations and export them to standard formats like PSA Persona skeletal animation or FBX for use in Blender Maya or other 3D animation software. Finally, converting for modern engines. Export UKX animations to FBX format. Using UModel, then import into modern Unreal Engine 4 or 5 versions through the Content Browser Import dialog. Animations may require retargeting if skeleton structures differ between source and target characters. Use Unreal Engine's animation retargeting tools to map old animations onto new skeleton hierarchies for modern game projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.